कोलवा माडेलांत जाल्ल्या हल्ल्यांत आतां मेरेन 8 जाणांक अटक केल्यात. तांकां 5 दिसांचो रिमांड.
आयज पुलिसांनी फातोर्डा पुलीस स्टेशनांत तांकां रिमांडा हाडिल्लो आनी तेंच्यान 7 दीस स्थिती मागिल्ली, पूण कोर्टान तांकां 5 दीस दिली. पुलीस येवन टायम मागलो. APP चड लेट आयले आनी तांकां APP गेली. त्या खातीर तेंच्यांनी टायम मागलो. तांकां 5 दिसांचो रिमांड दिला. मंडे प्रोड्यूस करतले.
कितले एकूच आहा? 21% कितले आहा?
सद्याक 8 आसात. 8 जाणांक अरेस्ट केल्या.
ते गँग वॉर
जालो कोलवा रोडार. ते हेतून संदर्भात तांकां अरेस्ट केल्या.
मजगतीं पिडीताचो वकील म्हणटा गँग वॉर ना.
People are saying it's a gang rivalry, but there is a very different aspect that is there to this particular case. Hence, there is an intervener in this matter to keep this particular case before the court. Some are trying to misguide even the public, and this is also being shown as a gang rivalry, but the picture behind it is very difficult to come out because there are many sources that are trying to hide the real picture. What is the real picture? The real picture is that one boy had stopped and brought narcotic substances that were being supplied in Margaon and the belt of Kolwa at a standstill. And the man behind the curtain is the main drug lord, should I say, or a drug dealer. All meaning drugs have come to a standstill today, at least in Margaon and the belt of Kolwa. And this is the belt for South Goa where most business chala म्हणटा तो.
प्रुडंट खातीर सावियो डायज आनी सगूण गावडे.